Here's the Camry again. This is the Sierra. Now you can see a Mazda CX-9 behind the Camry. And there's your LE Camry. And here it comes. It's getting a pre-soak, wheel cleaner. There's the soap foam. And the two basket front to back mirrors.
Mark, you have a phone call line 3. Mark, line 3.
And there's the Camry. Now there come the brushes. You already got the wheel brushes, or washers. And you can see a Nissan Altima 2.5S Coupe behind the CX-9. And here come the rocker panel brushes. Here, charcoal. There's the Camry. The Camry's gonna get super clean. I can see GMC Sierra, Toyota Camry, Mazda CX-9, and Nissan Altima. There's another wheel washer that's with water. Here's another two basket front to back mirror. Whoa, the mirror is buffing the car. Washing the car. There's a Ford Focus sedan. And there goes the Camry. Now there comes the spot for your rinse. Clear coat sealant. And there come the dryers. The employees are going to polish up the car. Now they're going to go take the car. Sounds great. Now they're going to go take the car. So thanks for watching.